What's up, guys? Scott here. So I just saw a question in a Facebook group, a great question. I thought I'd throw my hat into the ring and answer it, which was, what's the best thing to say to a client once they come out of trance? So there are a lot of great responses to this. Some people just said, you want to look at your client and smile, which is a great option. Some people say you just want to let your client sort of come out of trance because there's a little bit of afterglow after trance, let them snap out of it before you start talking to them. Some people say, you want to give some post-hypnotic suggestions. All great responses. What I would do, just in my own opinion, you don't have to follow this, is just what I recommend, is as soon as a client comes out of trance, you definitely want to have a smile on your face, give them a thumbs up, congratulate them, and that's pretty much it. A lot of people talk about the post-hypnotic suggestion phase, and I heard a lot of gurus say the best time to give a suggestion or a post-hypnotic suggestion is post-trance, once they come out of trance. My thoughts on post-hypnotic suggestions are a waste of time. And why would this be the case? Well, if a client's come out of trance, and let's say it's the last trance, you're going to obviously do some testing and stuff like that. That's going to pretty much solve the problem. There's no point me giving post-hypnotic suggestions if the problem has been resolved. So when I did my traditional trainings, I was taught by my mentor, and it was fun at the time. She said that, as a client comes out of trance, you want to give your client a post-hypnotic suggestion. Let's say it's for like weight loss, even though that's the symptom. Which sort of contradicts everything else we were taught, but regardless, every time you see the color red, it'll make you feel more empowered to eat more healthy food, which would be a great suggestion for someone trying to lose weight. But again, it's the symptom thing, so it's a waste of time anyway. But I figured if the client's problem is solved, why do I have to give a post-hypnotic suggestion? Now, other people would say, well, a post-hypnotic suggestion is a good thing to sort of link you as the therapist and your voice, that if they have to come and see you the second time, they'll go into trance more easily and more quickly. And this is another good suggestion. But here's the thing. If they've been through the whole trance phase with you, hearing your voice, seeing your mannerisms and being in your space with them, their unconscious mind's going to link you to that trance process anyway. So it's not to say post-hypnotic suggestions are bad. I just think it's a lot of talking. It's a lot of unnecessary things that you need to do. So I like to keep things really, really simple. Client comes out of trance, give them a thumbs up, say, well done, give them a smile, let them come out of trance a little bit, do some testing, send them home. That's it. If you're setting up post-hypnotic suggestions or I'll see you on the second session type thing, now you're presuming, now you're thinking, okay, the problem hasn't resolved. You're putting things into place that don't really need to be there. I literally would just do the testing. Client's done. Get out of my office, go and enjoy your life. So again, that was just my opinion on the best thing to do when a client snaps out of trance. There's no really right or wrong thing here. But again, keep things simple. Don't talk too much. Let your client snap out of it, do some testing, send them home, move on to your next client.